making me think that she is hurt. That is how a killdeer mama protects her babies. If I was a predator, she would lure me as far away from her babies as possible. Then on the other side over here, I have Dad. He's doing the same thing from a different direction. And then right out in there, I spot at least 3 babies. Dad flew over by the babies now. He's afraid I've spotted them. So, anyway, that's just a pretty cool example of how they protect their babies. I'm not sure why I only see 3 babies. Maybe one's in hiding somewhere. I spotted all 4 of them this morning. But they're so tiny and vulnerable right now that, you know, they're really vulnerable to any kind of prey right now. And here comes Mom. She's coming right at me. They are such brave parents. They are just amazing parents. So anyway, I'm glad to get this on video. It's one of the coolest things about these birds. And she doesn't know it, but I've been doing my best to protect her babies.